Hi, Chemistry 1011. This is just a quick video announcement, and this applies to you whether you're in section 103 or section 104. The first thing is that I've extended the safety quiz, the due dates of the safety quiz. So if you click under the quizzes tab, you can see here, if you're in section 103, the safety quiz is now due on August 26th by noon. So 12 p.m. is noon, it's not midnight. If you are in section 104, the safety quiz is now due on August 28th at noon. Again, if you're in section 104, the safety quiz is due um, by noon on August 28th. Now, something else that you have to have done is going to be the first day lab tasks. You can see if you click under assignments that there is a place here to submit the first day lab tasks. If you are in section 103, it's due on August 26th by 1 p.m. And if you're in section 104, it is due by August 28th at 1 p.m. Please keep in mind that when you submit the first day lab tasks, it has to be submitted as a single collated black and white PDF. So you're going to scan each one of the pages using your phone, convert it into a PDF, and you're going to hand that in. And you're also going to submit it here electronically. So again, you're going to submit a hard copy in the lab at the very beginning of lab, and then you're also going to submit an electronic copy here. Now, with respect to the lab, not only do you have to have the safety quiz done, but you also have to have the electronic pre-lab quiz completed. If you're in section 103, it's due on August 25th by 11:59 p.m. So that's today, August 25th by 11:59 p.m. Again, if you're in section 104, you also have to complete the electronic pre-lab quiz. You also need to complete the paper pre-lab. Okay, so again, the paper pre-lab. If you did not purchase a lab manual already, you can look under lab data, and I have published a PDF of the very first lab. So again, I will not accept an excuse of I did not have the money to go buy the lab manual, I didn't have time. It is right here under lab data. All you have to do is print this out. So if I click on it, you can see the entire PDF is here. So make sure to read the discussion. So you're going to read the entire discussion thoroughly so that you know what you're doing when you come to the lab. And then you're going to complete this pre-lab that you see right here. Okay, so you're going to hand this in at the very beginning of the lab, the very beginning of your lab. So again, not only do you have the first day lab tasks to hand in, but you also have this pre-lab to hand in. Now, one more thing I want to show you quickly here is if you look at the bottom of the table of contents where it says first day lab tasks and graphing assessment files, I'm just going to click on that. And that brings us to the first day lab task that you already completed. But after you've completed the lab tomorrow, which is not very long, you're also going to work on this intro to graphing data sheet that you see here. I've posted it as a PDF and as a Word document. But what I'd like you to do at the very least is you see where it says intro to graphing lab here. So I want you to at least read this, okay? It's about 8 pages, but I want to make sure that you read this before coming to the lab tomorrow. It goes over how to plot a graph on a lab quest, and you're going to be doing that at the end of the lab. And then you're going to fill out the data sheet, and that's going to be due the following week, not only as a hard copy, but also as an electronic copy as well, much like the first day lab tasks. And so to summarize this announcement, the safety quiz date has been extended. The first day lab tasks is going to be found under the assignments folder. It's due by 1 p.m. on the day that you have your lab. The pre-lab quiz can be found under the quizzes tab. It's due on August 25th for section 103. It's due, I think, on the 27th for section 104. Also, keep in mind, you want to keep working on your homework, of course, in ALEKS, and I'll see you tomorrow.